Hi everyone, welcome back to Monday Meds. I hope your week is off to a great start. Happy Monday to you all. Yes, it's Monday. It's Monday and it's almost the last Monday before November ends. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? So yes, I hope you did enjoy those that pineapple, the pineapple slices. Hope you did enjoy that, and hope you did enjoy that tutorial and learn how we do how do we peel pineapples in Jamaica. And if you have not seen that link or that video, if you have not seen that video, definitely check in the description section of this video. Check in the description section of this video for that pineapple tutorial. Hope you did enjoy also the Jamaican bulla and pear. I did show you what bulla looks like, but I didn't show you how we eat it. And yes, hope you did enjoy those treats last week. So yes, we did talk about pineapples and and showed you how to cut it, how to grow it. And today we are going to be talking more on the benefits, the uses of pineapple. Part 1. Pineapple is a tropical fruit, and yes, it is very versatile. It has vitamins A, vitamin C, vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, B6. It has potassium. It also has calcium, also has selenium, and it's a great source of manganese. So yes, pineapples are very versatile. You can use it to cook with. Many people use it for making sweet and sour sauces. Yes, pineapples are good. You can use it to bake with. There's pineapple upside down cake or pineapple cake. Yes, you can use it in culinary use to make pina colada. That is one drink. I had before, of course, I had it virgin, that's without any alcohol. Shout out to Boston Eaters. I miss you guys. And there are also some benefits that you can use pineapples by eating it. So yes, it's great for intestinal worms. Yes, the young fruit, you can use it for intestinal worms. It does expel intestinal worms. Yes, you can use the mature fruit. You can use it. It's great for heartburns. It's great for upset stomach. Also great for inflammatory bowel disease. And yes, it's great for your immune system. I did talk about pineapples last year. If you have not seen that video, definitely check in the description section of this video. And so yes, pineapples are great also for if you have kidney or bladder disease. It's great for those illnesses. Good for your digestion. And yes, so pineapples, it's best to eat your pineapples and your fruits in general. It's best to eat your fruits about a few minutes, maybe 5 to 10 minutes before you actually, or yeah, 10 to 15 minutes before you actually eat your main meal. And that way the fruits go down into your stomach, or they go and line your stomach wall and prepare the rest of your food to be digested. Apples are also great for arthritis, and it's also good, so it's great for inflammation in the stomach, like we talk about inflammatory bowel disease. Good for sinuses. So eating pineapples are very good for your body's function. Another benefit of pineapples is that it's great for, it can be a mild laxative. So yes, you can use it with salt and it can be a mild laxative. Yes, the juice of the pineapples are good for good as a diuretic. So it's good for you to pass out liquids out of your body. And so yes, that's why it's actually good. It's a good remedy for bladder infection. The juice can also be used as a gargle. You can use it as a gargle, so it would be more externally, because you wouldn't swallow it after you gargle your throat. No, you wouldn't do that. Once you gargle your throat, you spit it out. Yes, so you can use the juice also as a gargle for sore throat. And how you do that, you make the juice and drink it. I would say warm the juice up if you're going to use it for as a gargle. Warm the juice up if you're going to use it for a gargle, and that way it will be in your mouth warm, and it will be great for sore throat. Also, especially if the fruit is not that fully ripe, eating it, because you know when it's not that ripe, it has a sour taste. So that is also great to add for sore throat. So yes, you can eat the fruit. That soury taste is actually great for sore throat. As we wrap up today, and I know there in America it is Thanksgiving week. And so, yes, I pray you'll have a safe Thanksgiving week. And yes, as we wrap up today, I want to remind us just as how the pineapple, it can be used in the sour stage for sore throat. And yes, it is sweet. It is sweet and wonderful in your mouth and can be eaten for so many of these remedies, natural remedies. Yes, as Paul said to the Thessalonians in 1 Thessalonians 5, verse 18, in everything give God thanks, for this is the will of Christ, Jesus Christ, concerning you. So no matter what you're going through, I know it's very crazy in our world right now, but it could be worse. Yes, we know it could be better, but it could be worse. And so in everything, give God thanks, because that is his will for us. I pray that you will have, for those of you in America, have a safe Thanksgiving season. I know it's a different one with a difference, but remember that we shouldn't just wait for Thanksgiving Day to be thankful. We should be thankful for every day. I pray you'll have a wonderful week, have a safe Thanksgiving season there in America, and yes, don't eat too much. Remember to be temperate. Have a wonderful week, everyone, and God be with you. You here, welcome. Thank you for joining us. And yes, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe in the link below or the button for new videos and more on your Medz.